Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we are back with a room tour. We are on a cruise ship and we are going to tour our stateroom. So we are on the Celebrity Beyond and today's the embarkation day. So we thought we'd give you a tour around our room before we got unpacked and show you what the room has to offer. So before we get started, I just wanted to mention that Drew is here with us and he's going to help me point out some things around the room. So let's get started. We're going to start at the very front of the room at the door, and we'll work our way through from the entrance to the veranda, and I'll show you the view that we get from our room and what the veranda has to offer here. Okay, so here we are at the entrance to our room. We are in stateroom 9165 on the 9th deck. And Drew's just gonna help me into the bathroom here. So right when you walk in, the bathroom is on your left-hand side.
You're probably gonna have to move. Tight quarters.
It is a little bit tight, but the bathroom is quite spacious. So we have a full-length glass shower here, and it has all of your toiletries right inside there. So you have your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner as well. It looks like it has a really nice shower head and a little shelf there for some toiletries, and it looks like it has this little bar that you can put your leg on to shave, which is convenient. Right beside the shower we have the toilet right here, and we'll just spin around this way. Cool art on the wall. So coming over here we have this nice shelving unit beside the mirror here. Got Kleenex, some towels, and the garbage can is just tucked in nicely down there. And also lots of shelving underneath with some towels there, and you also have an outlet underneath the sink there. So coming out of the bathroom here, you can see this big mirror right here. It's really well lit as well. You have a pretty decent sized sink, and then some more toiletries here, and then some more shelving on this side as well. So I would say it's pretty decent size for a cruise ship bathroom.
I like how modern it is too.
Yes, it's also a very modern bathroom, so love that about it. Now coming out of the bathroom here, first thing you'll see on the wall on your left-hand side is the thermostat. It is digital, and it also turns on the lights in the room. And of course you can adjust your temperature. And then there's different mood lights here. You have morning, movie, evening, and sleep. And they just do different lighting sequences, I guess, throughout the room. And then below that you just have some of the manual lights here as well for the entrance, and I think for the bathroom as well.
Yeah, that was the washroom there.
Yeah.
And then they said on the app though that you can control this through your app on your phone too, right?
Yeah, so apparently
we'll
on
take a look
the
at that, though.
Yeah, so on the app, the Celebrity cruise ship app, you can adjust the temperature in your room and also the lighting. So we'll have to confirm that and see if we can get ours working, but that is also a cool feature about this room. Very high tech.
Yeah. So
for coming around here, basically this whole wall section from the thermostat over is going to be storage. So you have a little umbrella actually there at the bottom, some shelving, you have a laundry pouch that I'm sure is an extra charge, a shelf there, a couple more shelves there as well, and then some extra beverages that if you want to purchase, they're located right there.
Don't forget to mention sea coral decoration.
Some nice little decor right there. Okay, so coming around the corner, we have the closet. There are bathrobes in there, and there are a good number of hangers, I would say. There's an in-room safe there as well, and then you have a couple of pull-out drawers. So not a huge closet, but a decent amount of space. Yeah, so one of the cool features that I think most staterooms have this ability. You can store your luggage underneath the bed. It's quite a spacious spot under the bed there, so you can just slide all your luggage underneath and get it out of the way after you've unpacked most of your room.
It's really spacious. We got both of our suitcases under, and there's probably can fit like another 2 for sure.
So if you look around the room here, you can see that there's some really cool lighting at the top of the walls there. You have 2 lamps on either side of the bed. There's a telephone on this side and a nice little bedside table. And then we have a king size bed configuration in our room which is nice and spacious. On the opposite side of the bed, we have the TV. And right now it's queued up to the celebrity homepage, I guess.
Like the home channel kind of thing.
Yeah, and it's customized to you and your family when you're staying in the room. So coming to this side of the bed here, again, a bedside lamp over here, and this is the only side where you have charging capability. So you have a regular outlet there, and you have 2 USBs, and then there is a lighting switch just here for the mood lighting at the top of the wall there. So if you look around on this side, on the right hand side of the room in the living space area, we've got a desk here with a chair and a full-size mirror here that Drew will demonstrate, that you can actually move the desk in, tuck it away, and have a little bit more walking space. If you don't need the desk, you have a full-length lit up mirror. So yeah, Drew was saying that if you don't need the desk space, you can just turn the chair around there for some extra seating, or I was mentioning that you might be able to just put it onto the veranda there for an extra seat over there as well. So also what's included here in your stateroom every day is a Celebrity Today kind of newsletter, and it tells you all the different activities that are happening that day, the different restaurants that are available, some different destination experiences that you can do, some tips and important information for you. So that's a fun thing to look at every day, depending on where you're, what port you're at for the day.
Yeah, it'll tell you like when to get off and on the boat. It tells you about the dress code too that night. So I think tomorrow's the like formal night. So they'll tell us on the Celebrity Today that it's a formal night, so you can dress up. I think also too, if you purchase any excursions, you'll get them in like a little envelope as well as soon as you come to your room when it's all made up. So we got one on an envelope.
Okay, so moving along from the desk area, we've got a little charging station here. It's a nice little cabinet, which is kind of cool because you can plug in your wires in there, take the wires through, and then just lay your devices on top, and then keep everything kind of clutter-free, which I think is, again, a really cool, smart, well thought out feature. So next to that, we have a room service order form here that you put outside your door. Gives you some different options here for room service. And I don't believe that this is included, is it? Oh, it's a $10 service fee per room, and then $20 service charge on top of it. Okay, and then in the first side here of the cabinet, we have our in-room beverage cooler. Ours is empty right now. I'm not sure if they're gonna refill it or not, but we'll probably just put our own drinks in there that we brought with us. And I've also heard that you can, if they do fill it, you can ask them to take out the beverages that you don't want to purchase, and that way you can store your own items in there. So there's also a storage cabinet beside that with a lamp on top. You have 3 good-sized drawers there for extra storage for clothing and whatnot.
Honestly, like a ship's stateroom, like there's actually a lot of storage in here, right?
I mean, we don't have a whole lot to compare to. We've been on one other cruise before, but we're very, very impressed with this room. Again, very modern amenities and well thought out layout. So opposite of the storage cabinet there, we have a nice little day bed or sofa here. So as we turn around here, you get a glimpse of the veranda room. So this is different, and I think it's specific to celebrity cruises. But they have veranda rooms where it's not exactly a balcony, but the top half of that window goes down, and you are able to have the fresh air come in and poke your head out to get a better view of the ocean or wherever you may be. And then we've got 2 nice seats right here. Okay, so Drew's put that window down for us. And like I mentioned, it's enclosed in the sides here. However, the top half here of the window slides down, so that way you can get some fresh air into the room, and it's, I guess, kind of like a balcony, so you have access to the open air.
And you have privacy too then, so you can have your balcony kind of style, but there's not someone like right beside you that you probably see like through a small like half wall or something, right?
Yeah, and our specific room is a partially obstructed veranda room because it has this wall just right here obstructing kind of the view. But I mean, we don't have much to compare to, but it doesn't really bother us at the moment. I think it's still a great view. Another unique feature about this veranda room are these French doors here that will close off the veranda area from the rest of the room to provide extra privacy. So Drew is just going to show us what that looks like. So if you want to have more privacy in the room here, or if you're still sleeping, or your family member's still sleeping and you want to hang out on the veranda, you can do so. Just close the French doors, and it does dim the room a little bit and just gives you a little bit more privacy. So that's very cool. So that does it for our room tour here on the Celebrity Beyond. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the room specifically or anything to do with our trip, please put it down in the comments below. We also toured the rest of the ship, so we have a full Celebrity Beyond cruise ship tour that will be up on our channel as well, so make sure to check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.